What's up guys? Today in this video we're going to be installing the gas tank for good and also the subframe. In the last video I said that the floater just floats in the gas tank, but that's not true. There's that bracket up top that holds the fuel pump. On the other side, that's where the floater goes. So I have to take the cap off right here and then mount it properly. And I also bought a seal that goes around it, so I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. And once I can do that when the gas tank's in the car though. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the gas tank in and then hopefully put the subframe in. I'll try to do it by myself because my brother's at work right now, so yeah. Let's get this going. Now you can see it's on the bracket up top. It's not gonna move anywhere. That's how it's supposed to be. I'm just waiting for the seal that goes around this. And then I gotta seal it, close it up for good. Alright, I was trying to film it, but there's like no lighting, or good lighting as you can tell. So, here's the gas tank. Finally in. Just need to connect all these lines right there. Yeah, finally got it in. Now I just need to put the subframe in. That's gonna be a mission, but I did it by myself before, so I should be able to get it in. Alright, got the rear subframe in. I didn't record it because I couldn't really see. Or I guess I didn't have the right settings on the camera. With the solid subframe bushings. Here we go. GK Tech. Got the gas tank in too. Now I'm just waiting on the gasket for the fuel tank up top. Then put the wires in the motor. Connect everything and fill the fluids. Try to get this thing running and driving. And I can put wheels on all four corners, so that's cool. Alright, now I'm gonna wire in the motor. That way I could get this thing hopefully started. Not today, but just get it ready to get started.